Morning guys, I just want to show you the performance of our dip tank solution in the tank. Okay, see this glass here, grind on dirt. It would take you to 10, 15, 20 minutes to scrub this on your own with degreaser. So let's just see how it works in the tank. Get the tank up to temperature. Always make sure you've got your gauntlets on. Bring the glass. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you the performance. I'm just going to dip half of it into the tank. One of my guys has just come out with the fan blade from the back of the oven, from the fan oven. So let's just chuck that in for 5 minutes with the glass. So let's move the lid back and let's take this out. Wow, look at that, look at the difference. And that could be save you 10, 15 minutes scrubbing that. Just wipe it over with some water, and wow, look at that, fantastic. We're just going to show you small items. It's good if you can get something like this, a tray, find an old chip frying tray or something. This is the fan blade I put in earlier. It's come out, no grease on it. It's gone a little bit black, but we can wipe that off. So let's just see what these glass covers, bulb covers, come up like. Let's put it back in the tank for 10 minutes. And we'll come back and see what it's like. Right, okay, let's quickly have a look at the fan and the bulb covers. See how clean the bulb cover is. This one did have a crack in it before, we did notice that. And this is the other one. They're a bit slippery, so always make sure you give them I'll put them in the bucket. Again, saving a lot of time on site. We've just got some self-cleaning panels. A lot of people ask us about self-cleaning panels in the tank. There's a couple of other bits here from the oven. Steel, as long as it's not too much aluminium in the metal, you normally can tell that by how soft it is, so I wouldn't leave that in too long if it'll go black. Self-cleaning panels, it is steel, but you don't want to keep it in the tank too long, so let's literally give the self-cleaning panels literally a couple of minutes just to loosen up any of the grease, and then we'll wipe it down with clean water. Okay, we've literally given it about a minute. So these pieces of metal, see how they've come up? And the self-cleaning panels now, let's get them out. As you see, they've all come up quite nicely. We haven't left it in there too long at all. Oh, and that's the back panel. So yeah, all you're doing now with your fresh bucket of water, you're literally giving it a wipe over. This is the front of the panel, like that. Fresh water, and that takes that up lovely. Nice quality self-cleaning panels, and that's all you literally need to do. So let the tank do the work again. Lovely job. So let's now finish this off. What's important, don't put the glass flat on the bottom of the tank. Also, two things, if it hits a bit of stone or anything like that, it can break. And the other thing is, you're putting your hand in and trying to get your fingers under to lift it out, and you're really going to sort of get your gloves warm and you'll burn yourself. So let's put the fat fryer scoop in the tank. And then let's just put the glass on top of the handle, so now I know I can get my fingers underneath. About 10 minutes ago we put the whole of the glass in. tank's off now. But let's just take that out. You saw the state of this earlier. Look at that now. How much time does that save you? So wash it down with fresh water, bit of glass cleaner on it, and wow, like a brand new piece of glass. A lot of people ask me, how much can you put in a tank? Now here's a door. Everything at this door can go in the tank, the glass, but the only part that can't is the handle, because it's soft metal. So I'm gonna take the handle off and the rest can go in the tank. Unbelievable. How much time is this gonna save you? So let's stripping this door down. So we've already had the glass off and we've cleaned the glass, which you've seen earlier. So 2 screws here, 2 screws there, and we're just taking the door apart here. This you can't put in a tank because it's got mastic. This has been masticed on. They would just come off. So this will be cleaned by hand. And this section here, a lot of cleaning to do. Let's just stick it in the tank. This is the frame that we put into the tank about an hour ago. We went out some lunch, but come back, and as you see, 90% of the scrubbing and wiping down is already done for you. So that's ready to rebuild and finish off.